Guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I am sitting on my couch getting ready to have a casual conversation with you guys about a topic that I have never talked about here on the YouTube channel before, but I have talked about it over on my blog several times, and that is saving money. And today specifically we're going to talk about apps that help you save money, whether it be on groceries or through cashback or something like that. And I thought it would be fun to sort of just tell you guys what I use. I am by no means an expert at this, and I have only been doing it off and on for a few years now. But I do think there's some great ways to get some free money back from things that you would purchase anyway. So I'm just a mom trying to save some money here and there, and yeah. So today I'm going to share with you the specific apps that I use. There are lots and lots of different apps out there, and I don't have time to use all of them, so I'm just going to share the ones that I personally like to use. If you have some other suggestions, you can leave those down in the comments below. But today I'm going to be sharing Ibotta, Checkout 51, Ebates, and Swagbucks, and then something else that we use that's not cashback, but it is pretty cool, and I'll talk about that one at the end. So I am going to screen record on my phone here and sort of just talk you through some of these apps, how they work, how much money you can get back, and all of that stuff. So here we go. Okay guys, so I am going to go over here to my finance cashback section here on my phone, and the first app that we're going to talk about is the Ibotta app. Now, this is probably the most popular cashback app. When it first started a while ago, you could get cashback from shopping in store. You would go and you would find certain offers that you wanted, which are pretty much like coupons. You would go to the store, you would buy those things, and then you would snap a picture of your receipt, submit it, and then you would get cash back. And you can still do that today. So let's say I want to go shop at Walmart. I can just click on this right here, and it will show me different things that I can purchase from Walmart to get cash back. Now, what's cool about Ibotta is it has these any brand, so I can buy any brand laundry detergent from Walmart and get 25 cents cash back, or any brand of ketchup and get 20 cents cash back. Some of these offers like $1 cash back for bleach, 50 cents cash back for deodorant, and so on and so forth. I think you had to reach a minimum of $20 to get cash back, to get a check or something like that. Purex, $2 cash back. So it's really neat that way. You cannot use this app with like a Walmart grocery pickup, and that's one thing that I don't really like about it. But anything that you buy in the store, you can use. And they have all different sorts of retailers, Amazon, Target, Publix, and you can just scroll through, and they even have Aldi, which of course this stuff is going to be mostly just name brand items. Aldi brand items, unless you get the eggs or something like that, are not going to be on here. So there you go with that. And let's see, you can earn extra cash with some of these offers, and you can just scroll through and look at them. $3 cash back for school supplies. They have this new pay with Ibotta thing, and basically what you do is you would link up your debit card. Let's see. Pay straight from the app and earn 1% cash back. Now, I haven't tried this, and I don't think I'm going to try this, but you would link up your debit card, and then before you actually make the purchase, you would put the purchase amount into here, and then they give you a gift card that you use to purchase your groceries. So I don't know about that one. Haven't tried it. You can get cash back on delivery services. So that's pretty neat. And then, of course, the grocery and all of that. travel, pet supply, all sorts of things. So it's really cool, and it's a good way to get cash back on items that you would normally buy. So let's see, earn more. Have all different sorts of ways to earn money back. All right, and then checkout 51 is pretty similar. You go through and you pick out which offers that you want before you make your purchase, and some things are only available at certain stores, like the pop chips are only available from Sam's Club. They got milk chocolate bars, Ritz crackers. Checkout 51 does let you use e-receipts, so you can buy these things from Walmart grocery pickup and get the money back through Checkout 51. You do have to submit it on, not through the app, but through their website. You just take screenshots of your e-receipt and submit, and then you can get that back. So basically, it's just coupons. You pick out, what you want to purchase, add it. Say I want to do that once. There you go. Offer is added. And then you just upload your receipt, and then you get refunded part of your purchase, and then you can cash out when you reach $20. Now, probably my favorite way to earn cash back is through Ebates, because I do a lot of online shopping, and I really enjoy that they have a browser extension. So when I'm on my laptop, all I have to do is go to the website, and it pops up and lets me know that the website has cash back available, and it adds up really quickly. So when I want to buy gifts or something from Walmart, I can get up to 5% cash back. When I want to purchase something from Amazon, they now allow that. DoorDash, Old Navy is at 6% cash back. And this stuff adds up really, really quickly. And I will have all of my referral links for these apps down in the description box below. I think you can get, let's see, if you use my referral link, you can get $10 after the first time you shop with Ebates. So it's a good way to get some free cash as well. So that's definitely one of my favorites, and probably the easiest one to use. There's not a lot of thought involved in it at all. Okay, and then the last one that I wanted to talk about is Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks does not give you cash. You get paid in Swagbucks. They're worth about 1 cent each, and you can use those to redeem gift cards. I personally am using them to redeem Visa gift cards. Then I can take my Visa gift card and put the balance toward a bill or something, and then take that money that I've saved off of my bill and save it. The main reason why I'm doing this right now is I'm trying to save up for a pretty big vacation that we're wanting to take. So I am just doing whatever extra things I can right now to bring in some extra money for that vacation. So you can also earn cash back through Swagbucks. Of course, like it says for Amazon, earn up to 12% cash back. That's 12 Swagbucks per $1. And I don't think you can use these in conjunction with Ebates. So you have to compare, okay, which one is going to get me the most cash back? Is it going to be Ebates? Is it going to be Swagbucks? Is it going to be Ibotta? If you're really, really serious about it. Because they do have different amounts of cash back that they do give back. So that is one way to earn Swagbucks. They do have in-store offers as well, just like Ibotta does. And the thing is, you can cash out your Swagbucks at only $3. So you can get a $3 gift card, which is 300 Swagbucks. You don't have to wait until you reach $20 to get money back. So that's one way to earn Swagbucks. You also earn Swagbucks for completing surveys, doing not Google searches, but searching through their websites, answering polls, and watching movie clips if you're into that sort of thing. There's several different ways that you can earn Swagbucks. So if you have a certain goal in mind, like you want to go on vacation, this is something that you can work just to make, a little bit of extra money for your vacation. Okay, so those are my favorite apps for getting cash back and trying to save a little bit on the grocery bill. The next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is Acorns, which is pretty much an effortless way to save money. So what you do is you link your debit card to your Acorns account, and let's say you go shopping and you spend $34.75. So Acorns is going to round that purchase up to $35, and then they're going to take 25 cents and put it in a savings account for you. So basically, you are saving money without really thinking about it that much, and it really does add up. And my husband started doing this a couple years ago, and we've saved hundreds of dollars doing it like that. I think the account does earn interest. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, my husband is the one who handles all of that, but he has really enjoyed it, and I thought it was worth mentioning if you would like to have an easy way to save some money. So yeah, that is how I am saving extra money right now and earning cash back, and making a little bit on the side to fund our vacation. Some of them require a little bit more effort than others. Like I probably wouldn't be doing Swagbucks if I wasn't trying to save up extra money for a vacation. But Ebates is something that I will always use because it is just a no-brainer. You don't really have to think about it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and we would love if you would stick around, if you would subscribe to our channel. We talk about homeschooling and homemaking, and apparently we're going to be talking about saving money. Yeah, I do run a blog, and I have all of those topics over there on the blog, so that will be linked down below as well if you'd like to check it out. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.